Firstly, place one long stick as straight as possible into the ground. Find the end of the shadow of the stick and place a small marker. We then need to wait about 10 minutes. As 10 minutes goes by, we will place another marker. As you can see in the photograph, we have a button compass and we're using 6 sticks in total. So we'll place marker 2. Try to find the very end of the shadow from the stick. Sometimes it's not very clear. We then need to wait another 10 minutes. And we will now place our third marker. From here we run a little stick along the front of the 3 markers. The one on the right will be your west marker. We will put a cross section here which will mark north and south. So looking from above, look at our button compass. It's pointing north. North, south, east, west match up.